These main roads aren't too bad. Has your camera got wet on it? Oh no, it's the window.
Yeah. Hey everybody, it's a blizzard fire.
Oh, look at that hay.
Hey.
He needs all that road. I won't pull out until he's got all right with a hand. Sky's full of it though, babe.
Yeah. We are stuck in it's for anyone who is just doesn't know what's happening. We are stuck in a blizzard. It's just gone 12:48. I've just been brought home from school. And this is just really, really shit. It's really shit. Oh my god. There's snow everywhere. The rain is just dewdrops from the snow. There's an ambulance that just ran by. An ambulance, that's how dangerous this place is. There's a McDonald's that's getting frozen over. There's a Greg's that's getting frozen over. There's a truck that's getting frozen over.
Look at this lorry.
The hay. There's a lorry with hay on it to feed the horses that are dying from this blizzard. Today the horses, tomorrow the pixies. I mean, seriously, Window, do you need a towel? Because your face is straight up raining. Oh Christ! Oh Jesus! It's stalling. Stalling, Christ. Okay. There's a crash. There's been a crash.
You have not.
What? Well, it looks like it. Look. There's snow on the road. There's a goddamn.
Are you zoomed in enough?
Oh, wait. I've just zoomed in out. Okay. That's good. Look at those dewdrops. They're perfect.
Babe, can you see them traffic lights are on green up there? Oh yeah, we're moving.
Yeah, we're green. We're moving. The cars are getting frozen over. There's a junkyard. Oh my goodness, there is so much snow.
Do you know what, you got to about 12:10, Mason?
Yeah.
And all I thought was, it'll still be to his lunch now. Because your lunch is at 10 to, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I thought, fingers crossed. I thought to myself, I bet they'll ring up after you've had your lunch.
Yeah.
No school tomorrow.
Yay! L'chaim! Oh my goodness, there are so many cars with snow on their roofs.
Ooh, that's a big lorry.
Jesus. Where?
Coming this way, lot.
Oh, it's coming. Oh my goodness. That is big. Oh, Christ.
Was that a chip?
What just fucking hit us? What just fucking hit us? What the fuck just happened?
Stone chip.
Oh my goodness. A stone chip just hit us.
I'm not stopping.
Jesus. Fuck you, green light. Fuck you, ambers. Fuck you, reds.
He followed me behind.
Huh? He just went on a red light. A restaurant's getting frozen over with the snow.
I was just so eager beaver for them to ring me up because I knew it were going to get worse.
Oh my goodness. The snow's still coming down. There's a woman driving on the car on the street. I don't think the snow's gonna go away anytime soon.
Me too, babe. I don't think so either.
Jesus Christ. We've just been attacked by some snow. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Oh my Jesus! This is straight up scaring shit. Oh my goodness!
Chop chop.
Jesus, and we're still getting attacked. Jesus, we just splashed some water. There's still some snow right there. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! It's gone where I've aimed it. This is like Mission Impossible. Only it's in the winter.
We got home safe, my darling.
Yay.
That's it. It's not moving now.
Yeah.
Until at least Monday.
Yeah. Welcome to the house.